In this quick practice better tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up automated reminders so you can ensure your clients never miss an appointment or task. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a competitor that could be a better fit for your needs. You'll want to see which one has the best features and a special offer just for you. First, let's dive into Practice Better. The software is known for its simplicity, but setting up reminders can sometimes feel a little tricky if you're new to it. The good news is that once you've got the hang of it, the system will do most of the heavy lifting for you. To start, log into your Practice Better account and head to the Settings section. From there, navigate to the Automated Reminders tab. This is where you can set up both appointment reminders and task reminders. The interface is clean and the steps are straightforward, but let's go through them one by one. Next thing, you'll see options for customizing reminders based on the type of service you're offering. You can set up reminders for client appointments, task deadlines, or even session prep work. For appointments, you can choose how many days in advance you want the reminder to go out. Options range from 1 day to 7 days in advance. Personally, I recommend setting a reminder for 1 to 2 days before, as it gives clients enough time to reschedule if needed without losing momentum. The third thing you need to know is about the notification methods. Practice Better offers email and SMS reminders. SMS is great because it tends to get more attention, but keep in mind there are limits on the number of SMS messages you can send per month, depending on your subscription plan. So, if you're planning to send a lot of SMS reminders, make sure you're on the right plan. Next, let's talk about customizing the message itself. You can easily adjust the reminder text to match your tone and add specific instructions. This is a nice feature because it lets you personalize your communication. However, Practice Better doesn't give you full control over the layout of the messages, which can be a bit limiting if you want to add more complex elements like images or branding. Moving on, you'll also want to set up reminders for tasks. This is great if you're working with clients on specific tasks, like filling out forms or following a homework assignment. You can set deadlines for each task and choose when to send the reminders. You can also adjust the frequency, so reminders are sent at intervals that suit your workflow. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the integration aspect. Practice Better integrates with a variety of calendars and other software. This makes it easier to sync your reminders with your personal calendar and other client management systems. But the syncing can sometimes be a little finicky, especially when you're working with third-party apps. So, you might run into some issues with time zone differences or scheduling conflicts. It's worth testing ahead of time to make sure everything's running smoothly. Finally, while Practice Better does a great job with automation, it's not perfect. The reminder system is functional, but it's not the most flexible option out there, especially if you're looking for advanced features like conditional reminders based on client responses or a more detailed customization interface. And now, here's the part you'll want to hear. If you're looking for a more robust reminder system that offers greater flexibility, I recommend checking out Competitor software. It gives you more control over your reminder settings, has better integration options, and allows for deeper customization to match your unique needs. Plus, they offer a free trial, just like Practice Better, but with some exclusive features that could be a game changer for your business. As promised, I've included a special link in the description where you can access an exclusive extended free trial to Practice Better, as well as the competitor I mentioned. By using our link, you'll get the best offer available, so don't miss out. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.